أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Guys, as you know, we are studying Takhti number 4 Harakaat, unit number 4 Harakaat. And what are Harakaat? As I have earlier told you that Fatha, Kasra and Zamma, zber, as you can see here, zber under the letter and pesh on the letter. These three harakat are called Harakaat. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students and my dear fellows. How are you? I hope you all will be fine there and enjoying Ramadan. As you know, today 18th Ramadan has been completed there, and the next is 19th Ramadan. So guys, once again I'll welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid. And if you want to learn Quran